Hey guys, welcome back. So I did a video of these unboxing video of these tires, and the video was corrupt. The file was corrupt, so I had to delete it. But I just want to give you an overview of my new tires for my Granite. They're the Bandito ST from Duratrax. And yeah, I kind of made a mistake buying these. I was trying to get these, but for the MT, for the monster truck like this. So I got the smaller ones in profile, smaller profile, which is okay. I mean, it's no big deal. But I'm going to get a new set of the MTs from Duratrax for this actual truck. But road tires, just like these, but the MTs. So I just wanted to share with you the new tires and wheels that I have for the truck. Like I said, I did a complete unboxing, and it was like the video was corrupt. I was so upset, but oh well, whatever, right? But what do you guys think? Tell me what you think. I think it looks pretty cool. It does look like profile. Let me show you. Let me put it here. See that? It looks pretty cool. So yeah, I'll get the MTs eventually for this truck. You know, I run a lot of the my cars on the asphalt. That's why I like the street tires. But I wanted the MTs, not the STs, which is okay. But overall, I think it looks pretty cool. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.